Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm excited to introduce you to an incredible innovation in the world of renewable energy, the Solar Innovator. This breakthrough device is designed to meet your ever-growing energy needs and ensure you never experience a power outage or lack of clean, renewable energy. Imagine this: you wake up in the morning and your home is already connected to a vast network of solar panels. With a Solar Innovator, your home has the ability to generate its own energy on demand. This means that regardless of the weather outside, your home will always have clean, renewable energy to power your appliances, lights, and electronics. But that's not all. Solar Innovator is designed with flexibility in mind. As your needs change, so does your energy consumption. With the push of a button, you can adjust the amount of energy your home generates, ensuring you always stay as green as possible. By harnessing the sun's energy, the Solar Innovator not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also helps you save money on your energy bills. You no longer have to worry about expensive electricity rates, because the Solar Innovator produces energy on demand, reducing your dependence on traditional energy sources. In conclusion, Solar Innovator is a game changer in the world of renewable energy. Not only does it promise to bring us closer to a sustainable future, but it also gives you peace of mind knowing you're powered by your own natural resources. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the future and install a Solar Innovator in your home today.